So we start off today's video with someone who has super long hair. Wow, the stylist cuts off all that hair. It looks like she's getting a buzz cut with this one. Wow, such a dramatic makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have another big chop on our hands. The stylist does a gorgeous pixie haircut. I love the shape and texture of this, very 90s inspired. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another pixie hair change, and she ends up spicing things up with this white platinum color. Wow, she looks unreal. Next up, we have another big chop with a bob haircut style. Wow, oh, this is beautiful. I love the simplicity with this bob. Beautifully done. And then we see someone with a bob haircut. And she decides to switch things up with this gorgeous pixie style. So here we have another cut refresh with a pixie. Beautiful bangs to frame out the face. I like the highlights, the color. Very nice. So it looks like we have someone else who is going to be getting a buzz cut here. Now we all know that this is a huge trend on TikTok at the moment. A lot of girls are just doing a complete shave of their hair, and I am honestly here for this trend. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.